So I've been practicing cosmetic dermatology, I call it, for about 12 years now. Even when I started out, Botox and fillers were in most demand. I would say that they've grown in popularity, but that our techniques have changed. They've been modified, and these days we aim for a more natural kind of look. So this is part of what has changed over the last 10 years, I would say, certainly in terms of my practice. And that is, these days we focus more on creating an overall lifting kind of effect rather than, let's say, treating a specific area. So the patient looks more youthful once they've been lifted completely, which involves this kind of motion. And usually what we do these days is we treat the mid-face area to restore the cheeks, because this is what is lost in middle age, and we restore this with fillers. And I can say that here at Medemis Clinic they've become expert at doing this. There's no specific age to start, but these days we are advocating starting a little bit earlier. So Botox can certainly help in prevention of wrinkles, and we're seeing patients now in their 20s, mid-20s, starting preventative treatment. Also with fillers, what we see is stimulating the skin to produce more collagen and elastin so that the quality of the skin is better. So also we advocate starting earlier, also in 20s, middle 20s, mid-age 20s, and forward. For the vast majority, people want to look fresher. You know, we emphasize more freshness these days rather than trying to take 10 or 20 years off. Patients want to look the best that they can for their age, and this is what we're trying to do. We're not trying to make patients look 10 years younger. We're trying to make them look the best that they can for their age. Well, I think there are certain basic things that you need to do, such as keeping a healthy diet and exercise. Then there are other things, moisturizing the skin and avoiding certain things which could harm the skin, like smoking and too much sun exposure. And then, of course, there are these treatments which are offered here at Medemis Clinic, which do involve Botox and fillers, which really work together to enhance the skin and make the skin look better and preserve it.